Cryptocurrency 101. What is crypto and how does it work? What if I told you that the future of money isn't printed in a government building, but coded in a computer? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency where the power is in your hands. Hi everyone, welcome back to One in a Million, your ultimate guide to all things crypto. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics right now, cryptocurrency. We'll break down what crypto is, how it works, and how you can start investing step by step. So stick around till the end because I'll also share some crucial safety tips to protect your investments. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, it's digital or virtual money. Unlike traditional currency like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrency isn't controlled by any government or bank. It exists online, and people use it to buy goods, invest, and even send money across the world. Now, you might be wondering, how is it safe? Well, that's where something called blockchain technology comes in. Blockchain technology and decentralization. Imagine a long chain of blocks. Each block contains information about transactions, and every time a new transaction is made, a new block is added to the chain. What's amazing about this is that the data is decentralized. Decentralization means that instead of one bank or authority managing the money, it's verified and secured by thousands of computers around the world, also known as nodes. This makes it tough to hack or manipulate. Unlike your bank account, where the bank holds the information, in crypto, no single entity has control. That's the beauty of decentralization. How cryptocurrency differs from traditional money. So, how is cryptocurrency different from the cash you have in your wallet? Well, for one, it's purely digital. Can't hold it in your hands. Also, with traditional money, governments can print more, which sometimes leads to inflation. But cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Also, with traditional money, you need a bank or middleman to send it to someone. But with crypto, you can send money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time. No bank, no middleman, and often, lower fees. How to start investing in cryptocurrency? Now you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but how do I get started? Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. To start, you need a platform where you can buy, sell, and store your crypto. These are called crypto exchanges. Some popular ones are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Do some research and pick the one that suits your needs. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. Once you buy crypto, you'll need a wallet to store it. There are two types: hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. For beginners, hot wallets are convenient, but if you plan to hold for a long time, consider a cold wallet for extra security. Step 3. Invest what you can afford. Start small. You don't need to buy a full Bitcoin, which is very expensive. You can start with a small amount, even $10 or $20. It's about getting familiar with the process. How to stay safe while investing in crypto. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about staying safe. Crypto is exciting, but it can also be risky, especially if you don't take the right precautions. Tip 1. Avoid scams. Always double-check the websites you're using and be cautious about too good to be true offers. Tip 2. Use two-factor authentication. Always enable two-factor authentication for your accounts to add an extra layer of protection. Tip 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread it across multiple assets to reduce risk. And that's a wrap. Now you know the basics of cryptocurrency and how to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below with your questions. I'm here to help. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Until next time, remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is your most valuable asset.